Allen Career Institute Bangalore sets new benchmark in NEET UG 2025. In a remarkable demonstration of academic excellence, Allen Career Institute, Bangalore has once again achieved outstanding results in the NEET UG 2025 examination. With 11 students securing ranks within the top 1,000, including 2 students in the top 50, the institute continues to uphold its legacy of excellence in medical entrance training. Top rank achievers from Allen Bangalore. The NEET UG 2025 results have highlighted the stellar performance of the following students from the Bangalore Center. AIR 22 Dhruchir Gupta, AIR 42 Pranshu Jahagirdar, AIR 190 Aridhya Agrawal, AIR 334 Vishwavi, AIR 529 Risha Goyal, and 6 more students rank within the top 1,000. This spread indicates a healthy distribution of high achievers, showcasing the consistency of the institute's academic delivery across different rank bands. Shri Mahesh Yadav, Vice President and Zonal Head of Allen South India Centers, expressed immense pride and joy at the students' achievements. Our success is driven by a shared vision, where students' dreams are guided by the unwavering support of teachers, parents, and a proven system of academic mentorship.
For any type of paper, which is why our sir was saying this time to meet it was difficult, and because I've already practiced difficult papers as well as easy papers in Allen, I had prepared myself mentally as well as physically for any type of paper, and I kept my cool. Thank you.
For the past 3 years of my life, I joined in 10th again to give GPA exam, just cracked unfortunately. So in 11th and 12th, I joined Allen Jayanagar for my NEET journey. And if I say of splendid, it's an understatement. These 2 years have been extremely special for me. I have learned so much over these 2 years. I would like to thank the Allen faculty, all the
Vice President, Allen Career Institute and Zonal Head of South India Center. So today, NEET result is out, and in this result from the Bangalore, in the top 50 All India rank, we have got 2 rank, 22nd rank and 42 rank. If we talk about the All India nationally Allen, then we have got 3 rank in top 10. So this year, exam was very tough compared to last 2 to 3 years, because last 3 years paper was very simple. This year paper was even tougher than the JEE Mains and some of the JEE Advanced previous year examination. But yes, the students have wondered like anything, because their physics and chemistry was very strong. In Allen system, we especially focus on all 4 subjects: botany, zoology, physics and chemistry. I think because of the physics and chemistry, students have done very well, and that is why they got a very good rank and result. So 39 students who scored more than 580 marks from the Bangalore Center, which they are going to get easily very good colleges. And many more students are going to get the medical college this year. Thank you so much.